How's it going, everybody? Scott Hulke. I'm the pro staff member of Superior Fishing Products. Just wanted to show you guys, this is the new adjustable rod holder through Superior. A little bit rougher water today. The nice thing is with these things is you can thumb tighten them down. But when you get a little bit rougher water, you also have the option to put an Allen wrench in them and give them a good snug down. So they're going to hold, they're not going anywheres, hold your poles in place. Just make sure to check out Superior Products, fishingproducts.com. Again, Scott Hulke, pro staff member. If you guys ever got any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.